Hi, I'm Hayden and I'm going to show you how to make matzo ball soup. Matzo ball soup is a popular soup that people eat during a Jewish holiday called Passover. First, you'll need 2 eggs slightly beaten. Next, you'll need 2 tablespoons of water. After that, you'll need 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Next, you'll need a pinch of salt, and this is optional. Now you can mix. Now add a half a cup of mozzarella and stir. Leave it in the fridge to cool for 30 minutes. Bring 6 cups of water to a brisk boil. Reduce the heat on the boiling water and form little balls with the mozzarella mix and drop into the boiling water. Cover tightly and simmer until done. This should take about 30 to 45 minutes. When you're done, take them out and put them into a bowl. Boil 8 cups of water in a large soup pot. Add chicken bouillon powder or paste per directions. Cut 6 stalks of celery and 6 carrots into sticks, each about 6 inches long. Place celery and carrots into the boiling water and simmer for 30 to 45 minutes or until soft. And that's it.